The Ram 1500 is the most established of the big three trucks, appearing in 2009. There have been some truly substantial updates from that point forward, most strikingly in 2013. This specific truck is the Laramie Longhorn trim, which is just overshadowed by the limited model in the Ram 1500 lineup. It accompanies various adore it or abhor it accessories and trim pieces. While a diesel V6 is accessible, this model has the attempted and genuine 5.7-liter Hemi V8. In this appearance, it makes 395 drive and 410 pound-feet of torque. Over all that, our analyzer has the $1,125 Southfork bundle. This nets you huge chrome Longhorn lettering over the back end, walnut facade trim, cowhide wrapped get handles and new floor mats. Different alternatives on this truck incorporate monotone paint, a tonneau cover, a restricted slip differential, air suspension and the Ram box stockpiling zones on the sides of the bed. Supervisor-in-Chief Greg Migliore, the Ram remains my most loved pickup truck. It's the most established in the market, however despite everything I have a feeling that it's the best. It's extreme, skilled, agreeable and the most particular of the big three pickups. The chrome, cowhide and Hemi V8 go together like meat, potatoes and a Caesar serving of mixed greens. It oozes quality yet still has a refined quality. Each time I drive a Ram, I anticipate that it will begin demonstrating its age. It never does, and the better ones as of now coming right on time 1 year from now. My night in the Ram Laramie Longhorn Southfork release was pretty chill. The Hemi conveyed when I took off forcefully from lights, Uconnect was anything but difficult to utilize, and the rich inside was a comfortable place to invest energy when surge hour movement burdened me. The Southfork bundle includes a touch of bling, with garish 20-inch aluminum wheels with silver embeds and chrome avoids, among different highlights. Furthermore, Longhorn is explained over the back end, which is cool. The truck is marked, similar to a cow, and it certainly creates an impression. On the drawback, there's belt clasps on the seat backs, which begins to get somewhat mushy.